13th National Film Awards. The winners will be facilitated by President Draupadi Murmu in ceremony in October 2024. Here are some award winner films and actors given list. Best Actor Rishabh Shetty for Kantara film. And next, Best Actress Nitya Menon for Tiruchitrambalam. Tiruchitrambaram and Manasi Parekh for Kutch Express. Both will win this award in actress category. Next, Best Supporting Actor Pawan Raj Malhotra for Fauja film. Best Supporting Actor Pawan Raj Malhotra for Fauja film. And in Best Supporting Actress Neena Gupta for Unchai film. Neena Gupta for Best Supporting Actress for Best Film for the film Unchai. Best Child Artist Sripath for Malikapuram. For Child Artist Sripath for Malikapuram. And Best Cinematography Ravi Varmam for Ponniyin Selvan one part. Best Cinematography category Ravi Varman won the award for the film Ponniyin Selvan Part 1. Next, Best Screenplay Award Anand Ekarshi for Atom Film. For Atom Film, Best Screenplay Award Anand Ekarshi won the award. Best Dialogue Writer Arpita Mukherjee and Rahul V. Chittela for Gulmohar. Best Dialogue Writer winners are two members Arpita Mukherjee and Rahul V. Chittela for Gulmohar film. Best Production Design category Ananda Adya for Aparajito film Aparajito in Best Production Design. Best Action Cinematography Anbariv for KGF Chapter 2. In Best Action Cinematography Ambariv for KGF Chapter 2 movie. Best Makeup Artist category Somnath Kundu for Aparajito. Somnath Kundu, Best Makeup Artist, won this award. And in Costume Design, won the award. Nikki Joshi won the award for Kutch Express Cinema. Best Music Direction for Songs Pritham won the award for Brahmastra Part 1 Shiva movie. Best Music Director for Background Scores A.R. Raman won the award for Ponniyin Selvan Part 2. In Best Lyrics category, Naushad Sadar Khan for Salami in Fauja. Best Lyrics Salami means sang lyrics. Naushad Sarat Sadar Khan won this award. And next, best male playback singer. Best male playback singer category, Arjit Singh for Kesariya song from Brahmastra Part 1 Shiva. In best female playback singer, Bombay Jayashree won this award for Chayam Veil from Saudi Vellakka film name. In best cinematography category, Johnny Master and Satish Krishnan for Megam Karukata in Tiruchi Trambalam. Film name is Tiruchi Trambalam. Best cinematography, Johnny Master and Satish Krishnan for Megam Karukata. Best sound design category, Anand Krishnamurthy won this award for Ponniyin Selvan Part 1. In best editing category, Mahesh Bhuvaned for Attam movie. In best editing category, Mahesh Bhuvanand won this award for film Attam. Next, special jury award won by two members. First one, Manoj Bajpayee for Gulmohar film and Sanjay Chowdhury for Khadikan film. Best feature film in Assam, Imuti Putti by Kulanandini Mahanta. Best feature film in Assam, Kumuti Putti by Kulanandini Mahanta. Best feature film in Bengali, Kaberi Antardan by Kaushik Gangula. Best feature film in Bengali, Kaberi Antardam by Kaushik Gangula. And best feature film in Hindi, film name is Gulmohar, directed by Rahul V. Chittela. Best feature film in Kannada, film name is KGF Chapter 2, directed by Prashant Neel. And in best feature film in Malayalam, Saudi Vellakka, directed by Tarun Murthy. Best feature film in Marathi, Valvi, directed by Paresh Mukashi. Best feature film in Tiva, Sikaisal, directed by Bobby Sharma Baroho. And best feature film in Odia, film name is Daman, directed by Vishal Maurya and Debi Prasad Lenka. Best feature film in Punjabi, film name is Bagi Di by Mukesh Gautam. Best feature film in Tamil, Ponniyin Selvan Part 1 by Maniratnam. Best feature film in Telugu, film name is Kartikeya 2, directed by Chandu Mondeti. Best film in animation, visual effects, gaming, and comic. Film name is Brahmastra Part 1 Shiva, directed by Ayan Mukherjee. In category animation, visual effects, gaming, and comic, Brahmastra won this award. Best feature film promoting national, social, and environmental values. The film name is Kutch Express, directed by Viral Shah. The film won in category promoting national, social, and environmental values. Kutch Express by Viral Shah. Now, non-feature films categories. They are best non-feature film name is Ayana, directed by Siddhant Sharin, and best documentary film Murmurs of the Jungle, directed by Sahil Vaidya. Best non-feature film direction director name is Miriam Chandi Meena Cherry. The film name is From the Shadows. Best script category Kaushik Sarkar won this award for Mono no Avare. Best narration and voice over category Sumant Shinde for Murmurs of the Jungle film. Best animated film category A Coconut Tree by Joshi Benedict won this award. Best editing category Suresh URS for film name is Madhyanthara. In best sound design category Manas Chowdhury for the film Yan. Best cinematography category Siddharth Diwan for Monono Avare. Best short film category. Film name is Gyota by Nabapan Deka. Film name is Gyota by Nabapan Deka. Director name is. Best debate film of a director category name is Basti Dinesh Shenai for the film name is Madhyantara. Best non-feature film music direction. In music direction for non-best feature film won the award by Vishal Bharadwaj for film name is Pursat. And best art and culture film category Ranga Vaibhoga by Sunil Narasimhacharan Puranik, and another number is Varsa. Film name is Varsa by Sachin Balasaheb Suryavamshi. Both are will win the award. Best biographical historical reconstruction compilation film category Anaki Ek Mohenjo-daro, directed by Ashok Rane. In best biographical historical reconstruction compilation film category Anaki Ek Mohenjo Daro by Ashok Rane. In best non-feature film promoting social and environmental values, the film name is On the Brink Season 2, Garial, directed by Akanksha Sood Singh. Directed by Akanksha Sood Singh. Special mention category both films won the award. One is Birubala, directed by Ami Baura, and Hargila, the Greater Adjustant Stroke by Parthasarathi Mahant. Best Book on Cinema name is Kishore Kumar, The Ultimate Biography by Anuradha Bhattacharya and Parthiv Dhar. The best film critic category. In critic category, won the award by Deepak Duha. So that's all. Please subscribe our channel for more updates. Whatever we are presented here, those films, when you have time, please once watch those films because of those films are national award winning films. So you will saw those films, you will get some knowledge and good feeling, uh, none other than other films like time pass films. Please watch those films and subscribe our channel for more updates.